Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that 5 button, turn on notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Guess what guys, we're making dough. Just 2 ingredients and then that's it. It's all made. Let's get started. First you need corn flour, shampoo and food coloring. Whatever color you want. Let's go. Need a bowl and then a spoon. And then bowl and spoon. First, corn flour on because it's in the bowl. Now add shampoo. Okay. I only got 2. About this much. Let's go. Saturating. More shampoo. Now you add food coloring. It shouldn't be sticky. It takes a bit of stirring. Guys, you know what? What I'm planning to do is not even mix those. Oh my gosh, guys. This is what it should look like. Oh, my blue one. This one? Wonder what this is going to be. It's going to be purple or blue or white. I don't know guys, but we'll see. I know it's going to be. My bigger. That's really nice guys. She feels swishy. Mine's swishy already. It's blue and white now. Millie didn't mix mine. The more you play with it, the nicer we'll get. I got some of Millie's and then I mixed. Make for you. Like and subscribe. Bye guys! See you next time. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye guys! Bye guys! Bye guys!